Hi! In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the different table napkin folding. Table napkin folding is one task that you need to perform in the preparation of the dining room or restaurant area for service. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'll be using 20 by 20 table napkin size. The secret of beautiful table napkin fold is to use a well-pressed and clean table napkin. Fold your napkin in half, then quarter to make a small square. Now turn it like this, so the open corners are at the top, just like this. Okay, so fold the left corner to the center line like this, and then do the same on the right side. Press firmly, turn around, and wrap this overlapping areas alike upwards. Then fold it like this. Open the 4 layers. Fold these layers. Simple but elegant table napkin, bird of paradise. Okay, next is the pyramid. Fold the bottom point up to the top point to create a triangle shape. Press it. Fold the left side up to the top point and the right angle side to the top point. Flip it over and fold again in half like this. Then fold the table napkin like this to create a pyramid. The pyramid. Next is the wine coaster. Fold all points in toward the center. So you have to imagine the center line here. So this is the center line. Then we have to flip the table napkin. Fold again all the points in towards the center for the second time. Then flip the napkin over. Fold again all points in toward the center for the third and last time. Flip the napkin over. Then let it open this. Now we have a wine coaster. The bishop's hat. Okay, so fold the table napkin into half to create a rectangle shape. Pull the upper left down and the right side up. Then flip and then fold like this. Now we have to fold it again like this. Flip over. So here's our bishop's hat. Okay, so let's start the set. Fold it in into triangle like this. This is not a perfect square. And then roll this like this. Leave at least 3 to 5 inches. Roll it again. And then lock it like this. Take the two tails. Now you have a rosette. Okay, so let's proceed to candle fold. Fold the napkin into half to form a triangle. Fold the bottom at least 1 inch. You may check it. And fold this part to create a candle buds. 1 inch is good, or 1.5 inch. Roll it like this. And black. This is our candle. Okay, next fold is the oyster fold. This is my favorite. Fold at the center. Then this one. Let it fall. Do the same thing. Press it smoothly. Then bring this one back. Okay. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Then do the same. Then pressed. Hold it at the center. Get the center line. Then fold it again like this. Pull this part down and the other part fold in half this part. Hold here tightly. Then you have to get this part and roll like this to create a beautiful oyster. This sometimes depends on the color. So if it's pink, it's beautiful. The oyster. Fan with a stand. So our base is rectangular. Then do the accordion folds like this. At least 1 inch. fold it at the center. And then fold here, tuck in to make a beautiful fan with stand. Alright, this time I'm gonna make table napkin fold scarecrow. Okay, this napkin fold usually used during Halloween. Get a center line. Okay. Then fold, open this like this. Same is true with this. And roll over. This type of napkin is suited during the Halloween party. Right? So you just need to fold like this to create a scarecrow and put the spoon down here. You can also flip this up to create a woman. Okay? This is the scarecrow. Okay, next is the rose. Put together the corner point. Do the same thing. This is not a perfect square again. Then flip it up. Then meet at the center again. And then last thing is to pull this part. Pull this part. Pull this part and pull this one to create the rose. Next is diamond. Form a small square. Pull this one by one, like this. Flip it over. Get a center. Imagine the center point here. That. Here is now your diamond. These are the few table napkin folds. So you have to discover it yourself those other table napkin folding. Okay, so we can use this in the preparation of our dining room or restaurant area in setting up our table. So these are very important. Table napkins are very important in setting up a table because it adds accent, and at the same time, this is very important in a fine dining. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something on this video.